Hey guys, Holtman here. If you've been here for a while, you've probably kind of noticed I have a little tradition where at the end of every quarter I try to give you guys or share with you guys a little something, usually a little poem that I write or record in the video for you, a little poem or a little rap or a little something, a little message just to kind of share with you guys. Today mine's a little bit longer, but bear with me. Hopefully you guys will dig it. If not, that's your problem, I guess. So I'm going to read it and then feel free to tell me what you think or, keep it to yourself either way. I told you, try to embolden you. And not because I'm beholden to you, but because we have work to do. And sometimes we're serving up loss from the coin toss. You see, it costs to be the boss. And you aren't paid up. I'm just being straight up. This isn't made up. I tried to get it in your head when I said, making the grade can mean the difference between making ends meet, making it work like just another jerk, or making some pay. I know I'd rather not sweat a second shift until my neck is stiff, rather be a success than a hot mess. And if nothing else, you can hold your head high, keep your pride in a strut in your stride, feel good inside, and enjoy the ride, instead of trying to hide, playing duck and cover with the inevitable reality of responsibility. Hoping to get by is not a path to be on, and if I sound to get off my lawn, it's just as likely that you've been playing a pawn all along, just a background vocalist in your own dang song. But we can be better. Not just right now, but in ways that can last forever. And we can't rest until our good is better and our better best, unless you're ready to give in to this minor duress and wait around for days more blessed. I can guess that living with stress is at the bottom of your list, but if you don't take life in your fist, there's things you can't get back once they're missed. Learning costs and hurts more the older you get. There's things you don't consider the bolder you get. As you roller coaster through your teens, trying to figure out what it means, worrying about who you are and trying to cope with inherited genes. At times you're trying not to come apart at the seams and reconcile reality with at least some of your precious dreams. There's hope where there's precocious and spirited means. And you can bet there's things that I regret. Still paying my own debt, yet seem to collect disrespect along with this paycheck. And when it comes to sweat, I'm a seasoned vet, spent my time, like many of you, too cold, tired, and wet. But I believe we can create a reprieve that will relieve the source of this stress for us. The only wheel that gets any grease is the one that makes a fuss. I hope you can see the real mess we've made, the less than ideal, at times unreal place where we have stayed. Especially to those of you who believe it to be fine, what I propose is an easy trade. Students do work like it's their job so that I can get better at mine. You don't really like school? Well, you're not the first, so why don't you just get in line? Have a nice break, guy.